Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'll be showing you how to make mango sour. This is a popular Guyanese dipping sauce used with Pholourie, some black pudding, white pudding, and other savory bites. Alright, so first of all, what we want to do is get some very green mangoes. Then you want to make sure that you peel the skins off. Alright, and let me tell you, mango is so sour it gives your taste buds a rude shock, guys. But we're gonna season this up and make it work the way we want it. All right, so what we want to do is to cut the mango into small pieces. This is going to allow the mango to boil very quickly, and of course we're not discarding the seeds, right? If you don't get seeds in mango sour, guys, you don't got nothing. As kids, I used to like the seeds so that I can just suck up on it, man. It has a lot of flesh. It is so good. Now once that is done, over medium heat I have a pot with water, and I'm going to add the mangoes in there along with some salt. Of course, you must put a pepper in there, all right? So I use a little wiri pepper and about 4 cloves of garlic. Let this come to a boil, and you know when it is ready for mashing once you take a fork or a skewer. Once you get something very sharp, just stick it. Once it is soft, then you know it's time for mashing. So I'm going to use my potato masher and just mash the mangoes together like this. While mashing the mango, I'm mashing the pepper and the garlic at the same time, and just mash it up. So this is the best method right now of doing it, guys. It's not going to be completely mashed. You can just want it to boil a little more until it starts to thicken up. At this stage, it still needs a little boiling. It is still thin. So I'm going to boil it some more. And you're going to see some white scarf coming over the top. Just ignore that, that's all right. Add some granulated sugar, and you want to add enough not to make it too sweet, but it's just to cut the little sourness away. So a little sugar would do. Then you want it to continue boiling. Boil it until it starts to thicken up. And when you make mango sour, guys, once it gets cold, the sour starts to thicken up even more. So at this stage, I'm going to add some ground cumin into this mixture here. And the cumin powder brings in that flavor, guys. If you try the way I'm telling you and you look in my description box, you're going to get the right measurements. Just do as I say and you're going to enjoy this sour. So our sour is all done. I'm going to be showing you in the next video a savory snack that you can eat with this, some little bites, and I'm going to make it and let you see. So here is my mango sour, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't you forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. I'll see you soon.